let us see one by one what are the meaning of, let us see what are the meaning of each of this thing. We have seen we have seen open chain compounds. Open chain or acyclic. So open chain acyclic are having carbon attached, one carbon attached to other. This is, example is like this, CH3, CH2, CH3. So this is a propane. Okay, so it's there, as the name itself suggests, open chain, there is no first and last carbon are not joined. They are having one carbon after other. Okay, this can be, carbon can be attached to any other, apart from carbon, it can be attached to any other hydrogen or any other compound. These are all open chain. So this is open, this is a straight chain. When the same thing is with branches, CH3, okay, so this is a branched chain. Okay, so this is a branched chain. So this is terbutane, tertiary butane. Okay, in the carbon it is attached to 3 other carbon. So this is tertiary butane. Okay, so R2-methyl propane. It is either this thing or 2-methyl propane. When you write in the IUPAC name, it will be 2-methyl propane. So then it can be other things like CH3, C, H and double bond O. Okay, so this is acetaldehyde. Like that, any other thing can be possible. So these are all branched chains. This is also a branch, branches are there within the thing. So this is a branched chain. So you can even call this as, instead of writing it like this, you can write double bond O here and H in the so this is a branched chain. Okay. Then this is open chain or acyclic. So if you take then branch, closed chain, in the closed sign it is acyclic. That is in the closed chain compounds, this is alicyclic, and we have seen aromatic and alicyclic. Alicyclic means, alicyclic is again this thing as homocyclic and heterocyclic. Alicyclic is homocyclic. Homocyclic means it is, say for example, the first and last carbon are chained, and then all are made up of same carbon atom. Okay, all are made up of same so this is cyclohexane. Okay, all the members of the ring are carbon, so this is homocyclic, cyclohexane. Okay, it can be made up of 3 carbon chain also. This is cyclopropane. Okay, it can be 3 this thing, cyclopropane. It can be of, as I have told you, cyclohexane, or it can be even cyclo-1-hexene, cyclohex-1-ene. Okay, so this is for homocyclic. In case if it is heterocyclic, in a heterocyclic, this is, there can be, instead of a so this type of thing is possible. So this is tetrahydrofuran. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there, tetrahydrofuran. So all these are alicyclic. And if you are going to have, go for aromatic, what do you mean by aromatic? Some aromatic compounds are supposed to be having certain classic properties. In case they all their atoms lie in the same plane, so they have the same planarity. Okay, and they have all delocalized pi bonds. By delocalized pi bonds means the pi bonds oscillate between the adjacent carbon atoms. So pi bonds are delocalized. Okay, delocalized pi bonds, and they follow the Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule means number of 4n plus 2 pi bonds. 4n plus 2 pi electrons rather than pi bonds. It will be 4n plus 2 pi electrons. This is called Huckel's rule. This where n stands for 4n plus 2 pi electron, where n is the number of rings present. Okay, if it is one ring present, there will be 6 pi electrons. If there are 2 rings, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 pi electrons, like that. So in this aromatic, we have seen benzenoid compounds. Benzenoid compounds are compounds which have a similar benzene-like structure with a 6 carbon ring. So this is benzene. They have a 6 carbon ring, or it can be even in the benzene, there can be substitution of the benzene ring. And if there are 2 rings like this is naphthalene. Okay, these are all benzenoid compounds. And in case if it is non-benzenoid, if there is a non-benzenoid compound, mostly this is a carbon, this is called a 6-member ring with the attached to this thing. So tropone it is called. So let us see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then these 2 are attached to the O. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons, and the 6th carbon is attached to the 6th carbon of this thing. First and the 6th carbon are attached to an O. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is a, of course, this also has a alternate double bond. This is tropone. This is non-benzenoid compounds. Okay, here also there can be heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic aromatic compounds, the examples are furan, heterocyclic aromatic compounds, example is furan. Or you can even see okay. So these are, of course, when we have classified everything, we have also given what is the explanation of all this, and that can even be a pyridine with a 6-member ring. So this is a pyridine. Pyridine or a 6-membered ring. This is heterocyclic aromatic compound, where in the cycle, apart from carbon, there is also some other atoms like oxygen or nitrogen present. Okay. So when the first thing we have seen the classification, in the second one we have seen the examples, and we also have defined what is aromaticity.